Hello, hello, hello! It's Granny Ricky and I'm back with another story. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. The story we're reading today is called The Not So Perfect Penguin. Look at that little penguin standing on his head. This story is written by Smallman. The Not So Perfect Penguin. One snowy, blowy island in the middle of the sea lived a group of perfect penguins. They were smart and serious and sensible, all except for Percy, who was, well, not so perfect. The other penguins ate their dinner sensibly, but Percy always played with his food. "Eat nicely, Percy," the biggest penguin said, while the other penguins waddled along seriously. Percy slid on his tummy. There he goes, sliding on his tummy. "Be careful, Percy," the oldest penguin grumbled. So there he is, Percy's playing with his food instead of just eating it. And yeah, he's sliding on his tummy. It looks like fun. The other penguins swam smoothly through the water, catching lots of fish. But Percy liked to jump and play, turning somersaults and landing with a big splash. "Look out, Percy," the smallest penguin said. "You silly penguin." So there's Percy, running and jumping and twirling and somersaulting and landing with a splash. When it was really cold, all the penguins huddled together. Percy felt warm and safe in the middle of the group. There he is. But then, oh dear, he needed to bark. "Oh, Percy," the penguin said, "you smelly penguin." They went and stood away from Percy. So Percy made a fart, and they all want to get away from him because of the smelliness. Percy waddled away sadly. "My friends think I'm silly and smelly. I'll never be perfect like them." The snow fell harder, and the wind blew stronger. "It's cold on my own," said Percy, shivering. "Oh, look at him here. He's really quite miserable, hugging on to this snowman." Percy made himself a new friend from snow and ice, but the snow penguin wasn't very warm to cuddle up to. So there's Percy. He made himself a snow penguin, but he's really cold and lonely. Without Percy, the penguins ate their dinner sensibly. "It's so quiet," the oldest penguin said. They swam seriously, without splashing. "It's rather dull," the biggest penguin said. They waddled along in a smart line. There they are, waddling along in a smart line. "It's a bit boring," the fluffiest penguin said. "I wish Percy was here," the smallest penguin said. So they're all missing him now, aren't they? "What will happen to Percy?" the oldest penguin said. "He's all alone in the freezing cold." The penguins began to worry. So they waddled off through the swirling snow to look for Percy. "Percy, where are you?" They're all out looking and calling for Percy. "Where are you?" In an icy cave, they found 2 snow penguins. One had lost its beak, but the other looked familiar. There's the 2 snow penguins. It was Percy! All the penguins gathered around and cuddled him. Slowly, slowly, the snow began to melt. Drip, drip, drip. Can you see the water falling off as the snow is melting? When Percy's flippers were free of snow, he stretched, and then, tickle, 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 the penguins all fell about laughing. "Oh, Percy," the smallest penguin giggled, "it's good to have you back." Surrounded by happy penguins, Percy felt that maybe he didn't need to be perfect after all. His friends loved him, just as he was. Oh, that does look like a happy scene. They've got Percy back and everything is back to normal. That was a great story. There's the not-so-perfect penguin. He loves to have fun, standing on his head and playing with his food. Did you enjoy that story? Please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, Serena. Bye-bye, Zoe. Mwah.